Hi guys, today we are making these crispy, golden, spicy tuna cutlets. These are a great addition to any occasion, and especially with it being Ramadan right now, this is a perfect thing to make for iftar. So let's get right into the recipe. We're going to start off with a pan on medium-high heat, and to this I'm adding 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 medium extra finely chopped onion, try to get it as small as possible, 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, and 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. If you have curry leaves on hand, please add them in because they will give this cutlet an amazing aroma that you would just absolutely love. If not, it's okay, not a biggie. We're going to fry this for about a couple of minutes. And now I'm adding in 3 to 4 tablespoons of freshly chopped coriander. You can add more or less depending on if you're a coriander fan or not. Me, love coriander. Now we're going to add in 2 cups of flaked tuna. I'm using 220 gram cans. And I have 2 medium-sized potatoes mashed, which equals to 1 cup mashed potatoes. Also, we're adding in 1 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 2 teaspoons black pepper, and 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Stir this up, and now we're going to fry this for roughly 4 to 5 minutes. Now that the curry leaves have had a chance to infuse into this mixture, we're going to start pulling them out because nobody really wants a chunk of leaf in their mouth while they bite into this. So make sure you go in, pull them all out. Also adjust any spices you feel accordingly. Now that the mixture is ready, you'll know because it's smooth and it comes together very nicely. We're going to spoon this out into a bowl and keep it aside and let it cool. In the meantime, I'm getting my coating ready. So in the first bowl here, I have my egg wash. This is 2 eggs plus 1 teaspoon of corn flour and 1 tablespoon water. If you don't have corn flour, please feel free to use regular flour. In the second bowl, I have 1 cup corn flour, and to this I'm adding 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of chili powder. I always like to season my coating because it just kicks everything up a notch. And in the third bowl, I have 1 cup of Panko crumbs, and now you can use regular breadcrumbs as well. We're going to start by dampening our hands ever so slightly and start forming our balls. Now we're going to take a spoon and we're going to dump it into our egg wash, drain any excess egg, and place it in the bowl with the flour. Make sure you're coating it well, roll it around until it's well coated, pull it back out and drop it into the egg wash once more. And now we're going to drop this into our crumbs. Make sure it's evenly coated all the way around. The more the coating is on there, the crispier this will be. And panko crumbs are amazing because they're the same crumbs that you use for tempura, super crunchy when you fry them. In the end, you'll have between 20 to 25 cutlets. Now in a deep pot like a wok, you're going to place enough oil so you can deep fry these. Turn the stove to medium, let it heat up, taking about 3 to 4 minutes at least, and start dropping the cutlets in one by one. You're going to fry for 3 to 4 minutes. Once they turn this beautiful golden brown color, they're ready to take out. Pull them out, place them on a plate with a napkin to drain the excess oil, and that's it. They're ready and they're so easy to make. Serve it with some chutneys, some different types of sauce, even ketchup would work. These are great for iftar. They're great for any party appetizer. And the best part is the crunch that you hear when you bite into it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please do try it out. Let me know what you think. And if you have any suggestions for me, leave them in the comment section down below. I always love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe. And of course, I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.